today's digital age, data is king, and its true value lies in the insights it provides. Looker Studio reports serve as a bridge between raw data and actionable insights, offering a dynamic platform for visualizing and analyzing data in a meaningful way. Whether you are a marketer seeking to understand campaign performance, an analyst uncovering trends, or a business owner making informed decisions, Looker Studio Reports empowers you with the tools to transform complex data into clear, compelling narratives. Join us as we explore how Looker Studio Reports can revolutionize the way you interpret and utilize your data, ultimately driving success in your endeavors. Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to create a professional Looker Studio report. Whether you are a marketer, analyst, or business owner, Looker Studio can help you visualize your data in meaningful ways. Follow along as we walk you through the process from start to finish. Step 1. Accessing Google Looker Studio. To begin, navigate to Google Looker Studio by typing Looker Studio into your search engine. Click on the first link, which should take you to the Looker Studio homepage. Step 2. Creating a new report. Once you logged in, click on the Create button in the top left corner. Then select Report from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to choose a data source for your report. This tutorial will use a Google Sheets spreadsheet as a data source. Step 3. Connecting data source. Click on the Create New Data Source button and select Google Sheets from the list of available connectors. Follow the prompts to connect to your Google Sheets spreadsheet by selecting the appropriate file from your Google Drive and configuring the data fields. Step 4. Designing your report. Now that your data source is connected, it's time to design your report. Click on the Add Data button to add your data fields to the report canvas. You can customize the appearance of your report by adding charts, graphs, and other visualizations from the toolbar on the right side of the screen. Step 5. Customizing visualizations. Each visualization can be customized by clicking on it and adjusting the settings in the right-hand panel. You can change the type of chart, apply filters, and modify the style to suit your preferences. Step 6. Adding interactivity. Now, Looker Studio allows you to add interactivity to your reports by adding controls such as date filters, drop-down menus, and sliders. To do this, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen and select the type of control you'd like to add. Step 7. Adding text and images. Enhance your report by adding text boxes, images, and shapes. These can be used to provide context, explanation, or branding elements to your report. Step 8. Sharing your report. Once a report is complete, it's time to share it with others. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and enter email addresses of the people you'd like to share the report with. You can choose whether they can view, edit, or comment on the report. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional Looker Studio report from start to finish. Experiment with different data sources, visualizations, and interactivity options to create reports that suit your unique needs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel.